Hello and welcome back to Happy Handicrafts in our clay modeling series. In this video, we're tackling the 7th model, which is a pea pod from the book A Manual of Clay Modeling. This book was originally published in 1912 and was apparently what was used by Charlotte Mason in her teaching of clay modeling. Now, just a reminder, we're no experts here. We're just a homeschooling family sharing how we go about doing our handicrafts. And by the way, if you're a homeschooling family, particularly one that follows the Charlotte Mason philosophy, and you'd like some handicraft ideas, I'm going to give you the link below to download the biggest list you're ever going to find on the internet. It's free, it's on our website, and it's got more than 100 useful arts, crafts, and skills for you to consider. All right, I'm also going to list the materials needed below. If you're following along with us and you've already started clay modeling, you're not going to need anything new or different, just a pea pod. We got a bag of them from the grocery store, and once we were finished, we made a stir fry for dinner. Thank you so much for following along with us. I hope we've inspired at least one person to try this craft. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't lose us. We've got many more models to come, and you don't want to miss a single one.